How you doing, everybody? At first, I thought they were fake, but pop-on veneers, very real. As you can see, I got tooth missing. They're all not straight. I took a chance, went on pop-on veneers, signed up, got approved, got sent my molds, got them in 2 days. Did my molds. It took me about 30 minutes to an hour to do them. I sent them back, and about a week later, I got my veneers, and they are absolutely amazing. As you can see, the bottom ones just pop in, nice. As you can see, not looking good. I got my smile back. Never been so confident. If you want to take a risk, you should do it too. Trust me, you'll love it.